Hey, I shoot.
Alright, I'm done. No, I'm
Let
not
me shoot the bastard. Oh, just sack up and shoot the bastard.
Shoot up.
I don't care how far you go.
Do not shoot me.
What are you going to Oh, God damn.
I'm just joking.
What did I tell you? You won it. You won
Alright,
it.
don't shoot me, seriously.
You won it. Exactly. Ready, Sally?
Sack up and shoot the bastard.
Tay, shoot him, shoot him. Just shoot. I'm recording right now.
Said he'll kick my ass.
Shoot the motherfucker.
Shoot the motherfucker. Wait, you're only getting 2 shots.
Put it down. Put it down.
Alright, no, don't shoot.
Tay, let me get. Alright, that's Tater. He's gonna go shoot somebody.
No, I am too.
And that drumstick. And that's a little kid.
And don't forget J-Bo. Jesus.
No, you're not in it.
I am J-Bo.
Alright, here they go. Here they go. They're gonna shoot him. There goes Tater running down the hill. And there's Michael running over there. He goes shoot him.
I'm not shooting you.
I got a camera.
He's way up there. He's way up there.
Don't shoot me.
Shoot him. He's right there. He's right there. He's over there on the other side of the fire now.
I'm not getting in trouble. I've already gotten in trouble for shooting.
Alright, he's coming back. He's coming back.
Okay, what the hell up?
Sean is coming back. Sean is walking right there. He's walking right there. And right there. And he's right there. And he's right there.
Give me the gun.
Uh-oh, little people fight. Little people.
You hit a brick wall, son.
Little people, big world. Little people, big world.
You hit a brick wall.
Little people, big world.
I see.
Hey, it's little people. Look at the little people.
Don't fuck up his
Hey, look, there's Sean.
God damn it, I'm fucking right here.
God damn it, hey, look, there's Sean. Sean pukes and everything. Sean, puke. Sure, go smell the porta john.
You say another word. Hey, if I play.
Little people, big world. Little people, big world.
Damn, dog.
Oh, damn, camouflage. You can't hide behind me. I recorded this.
Yes, son, yeah.
Look at all the little people.
All the people. Hey, all the people.
That is J-Bo. That is over there, drumstick. That's Sean over there on the other side, J-Bo. And that's the fire. And that's a midget. Alright, these are people on the side of the fire. That's Michael.
I know it is.
That's the guy that he was trying to kill.
Oh, fuck.
That's Allie over there. The one right there that's smiling is Allie. That's Noah. Is there somebody on the other side?
Hey, it's bouncing.
Oh yeah, that's Amanda over there.
Look at the furry head.